Right, so right here we have the first practical piece of Brian Rope railway equipment that actually functions. Basically, we have a wheelbarrow attached to a coal mining style vehicle with some shovels. And we're going to use this to dig out this 75-foot tunnel to the top with. So let's roll it out here and see what she looks like. And this thing also checks the clearance too. And it rolls nicely. So basically I fill it with dirt and just throw it down here and dump it wherever I need it. I tell you, this thing rolls nicely. So basically I let it full of dirt, it's bounced, so I just dump it wherever I need ballast or dirt, and it's that simple. Fill it with whatever I need. I basically got a spade, transfer shovel, bow rake, and we just fill it full of whatever we need and dump it wherever we need it.